Let's use StatCrunch to make a scatter plot. So use a scatter plot to display the data shown on the table. The data represents the number of students per teacher and the average teacher salaries in thousands of dollars in 10 school districts. So I'm going to click this icon to open up the table, and then click this icon to open up in StatCrunch. Scoot you over there. All right, so we want to make a scatter plot. So I'm going to go to Graph, Scatter Plot, select the X variable, select the Y variable, and usually they're given to you in order of X, Y. The first one is usually X, and the second one is usually Y. That's typically how they give it to you. And just select those, hit Compute, and here is your graph. Now we need to match it up to either A, B, C, or D. And let's see. There we go. It fits. Well, it's definitely not A. It doesn't look like B. So it's between C and D. And so what I can do is I can change the scale of this. See how on C and D it goes from 10 to 20 on the x-axis and mine does not? I can change that. I can go from 10 to 20. Make it match a little better. And let's see. The y-axis goes from 25 to 55. I can change that too. 25 to 55. You certainly don't have to do this, but it will make it a little bit easier to see which graph is which. And it looks like it matches up pretty darn well with graph D to me. And so that's how you make a StatCrunch. That's how you make the scatter plot in StatCrunch.